Many TracFone users experience problems with the My Account mobile app. The most common issues include login authentication failures, frequent app crashes and freezing, and network connectivity problems that prevent account information from loading properly. These issues became more common after TracFone's integration with Verizon, which was completed in 2021. The ongoing system unification continues to create technical challenges, particularly affecting users with legacy accounts that are still being migrated to the new infrastructure. The first troubleshooting step is to force close the TracFone My Account app completely and then restart it. This clears temporary memory issues that may be causing the app to malfunction. Next, clear the app's cache and data. On Android devices, go to Settings, Apps, find TracFone My Account, and clear cache and data. On iOS devices, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the app, and select Offload App. Make sure you're using the latest version of the TracFone My Account app from your device's App Store. After updating, restart your mobile device completely to ensure all changes take effect. For login-specific problems, first verify your account credentials by logging into the TracFone website. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password feature. Try logging in through a web browser to rule out app-specific issues and clear your browser cookies and cache if needed. If network connectivity is causing problems, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to isolate the issue. Reset your device's network settings, update carrier settings, and ensure your APN settings are compatible with TracFone's network requirements. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of TracFone My Account app problems. Most users find success with these simple fixes, restoring full functionality to their app experience. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your TracFone My Account app issues, it's time to try more advanced solutions. These methods address deeper system conflicts and compatibility problems. The most effective advanced fix is to completely uninstall and reinstall the My Account app. This removes corrupted data, resets app permissions, and ensures you have the latest version with all necessary files. Security software and firewall settings can sometimes block the app's network connections. Check your device's security settings, antivirus software, and firewall configurations to ensure they're not interfering with the TracFone app's functionality. Many current app issues stem from the ongoing Verizon TracFone integration. As these two major systems are unified, temporary disruptions and compatibility problems are expected. This integration process affects account authentication, data synchronization, and overall app stability. TracFone is actively investing in significant app improvements. These include a redesigned user interface for better usability, enhanced security features like two-factor authentication, and improved integration with Verizon's existing app ecosystem for a more seamless experience. To prevent future issues, follow these best practices. Keep your app updated automatically, use Wi-Fi connections for initial setup, and maintain alternative access methods like the TracFone website. For persistent problems, contact TracFone customer service at 1-800-867-7183 for personalized assistance.